करेंगे। तो द क्वेश्चन इज दैट according to the passage according to the passage which of the following true as per the model based phenomena does exist? There is an increase of the tradable non tradable product in the country. The output in the trade increase with the ship different sector. The extra revenue generate in resulted export of the energy. So therefore we can read this, that disease is a phenomena where question is that true, does is a phenomena. Okay. There is a increase in the tradable and non-tradable sector. Does disease economy is a phenomena where the even growth of the sector, recovery of the source. According to the ones when country discover natural resource and start export the rest of the world, it exchange rate কারেন্সি সিগনিফিক্যালি চেঞ্জ होता है एंड इन টার্ন ডিসকারেজ করে এক্সপোর্টটা আদার সেক্টরের তুলনায় এনকারেজ করে ইম্পোর্ट চিপার অল্টারनेटिव मतलब इम्पोर्ट होता है दैट इज encouraging in cheaper and export is decrease. In 1960, Netherlands discovered gas Northern Sea. The subsequent export of the oil Dutch currency made Dutch export non-oil product net comparative loss mark unemployment ato. In the recent year 40 years, Dutch literature Mitchell the model of the phenomena based on the three sectors. Traditionally, oil, gas, tradable, non-tradable, labor. Dutch disease is the purely domestic phenomenon exported, which cannot be exported. The model is centric and spending resource effect. The export of the energy generated additional revenue for the factory owned and the government, increasing demand tradable and non-tradable item. Therefore, there is a increasing in tradable non-tradable product in the country and increasing the demand tradable and non-tradable product in the country. The output trade is increased with the shift of the labor different sector. There is a boom of the energy sector, forces labor to move out trade and service sector, shortage of the manpower. These reduce the output trade. So and the question is called increase in the output trade. So therefore it is wrong. This reduced the output trade and service sector due to the gap of the demand and supply. Output trade decline and service sector the extra revenue generated as a result of the export of the energy. So therefore the trade hence the economic output for interest explained if the trade manufacturing sector is more capable it in boom of the energy sector trade absolute fall. Million and Gunan also focus on the developing of the rich country avoid the consequences of the first the fiscal policy prevent the adverse effect of the Dutch disease. According to the researcher, the fiscal policy important control the Dutch disease resource rising income due to the export of the natural resource. এখানে their extra revenue generated due to the result of the export energy. Where is this? Export of the natural resource, adjustments of the spending welfare, focus on the revenue generated taxation advice of the Dutch. The second important move is to promote the spending policy. Public spent in order to improve tradable item than non-tradable item. This is the monetary policy, the choice of the monetary policy. So therefore we can see that the true is 1 because we can't find 3 and second is definitely wrong. So I think 1. No, 1 and 3. So where is 3? I can't find 3. Let's see. So the model is spending resource. The export energy generation additional revenue for the factory owner. Okay. So here it is. The model is spending and the resource. There is a export of the energy due to the factory owner. Yes, we can't see that. Sorry. So therefore 1 and 3. That's why I have wrong that question. Next. According to the passage, why a strong fiscal policy avoid Dutch disease? Private spending in order to improve productivity, huge inflow of the money, the growth of the natural resource can be controlled. Fiscal policy require Manoj Gujan focused why developing rich countries should avoid occurrence Dutch disease. First, the role of the fiscal policy prevent the effect of the Dutch disease. According to this researcher, the role of the fiscal policy is important to control the boom of the foreign discovery natural resource. Here is one: the growth followed by the natural resource can be controlled, so that is true. Rising income due to the export of the natural resource should be adjusted with the spending welfare. Public spending in order to improve the productivity of the private firm. Where is this? This is not here. The focus is the efficient review come from the taxation adverse effect of the Dutch disease. So only 3. Yes, only 3, right, because these 2 are not within the fiscal policies. I have wronged at that time when I am giving that mock, I think. So next, which of the following interpret from the passage? Some changes in the public spending on the import can aid to the Dutch disease. Dutch disease is a paradox of the circumstances. Negative implementation. Dutch disease is epipheral effect. Okay, you can see that therefore we can see here public spending, and here is also something with spending. So we can read this para. The second important is to promote spending. The question is that some changes in the public spending can aid counter Dutch disease. Second, public spending as such as concentrating the imposed tradable rather than non-tradable impact on the Dutch disease. Public spending in order to improve the productivity of the private firm. Maybe this is true. Dutch disease is a paradox of where the good come negative impact. The monetary policy, the choice of the monetary policy is important. Also macroeconomy, commodity export, the discovery of the natural resource, huge influence monetary policy, the export of the natural resource, equilibrium with the money exchange market, the Dutch disease prevents central bank and control the credit flow. So therefore Dutch disease is an economic phenomenon. If here is Dutch disease has a ephemeral effect. Dutch disease is an economic phenomenon where the country annual growth of the sector according to the country discover natural resource export exchange discourage करबे. Paradox. Export oil and appreciation Dutch currency made Dutch export product all the market unemployment rate down for. According to the research paper, 40 years of the Dutch disease engine, the framework is the phenomenon of the three sector. Oil gas is a purely domestic phenomenon, but it is ephemeral phenomenon. We can see where is ephemeral phenomenon or paradox. There is no more paradox. The model in the spending although the energy generated additional review farm owner and the government, hence increasing demand tradable, non-tradable and the move sector although the service sector reduce of the output service sector. So the theory computes this model. In the trade management non-capacity of the service sector, the move of that's absolute for main and focus what is the and to avoid corrosion. So therefore I can see only 1 and 2 circumstances could comes with the negative impact. According to the concept, when the country discover natural resources start exporting the rest of the world, extra of the currency rate appreciated significantly, in turn discouraged the export. So that's why this is true also. Okay. So I have wrong that. Which of the following is false? Energy trade. I have do the correct answer in this question in the mock. Energy tradable, non-tradable are the most important sector of the Dutch disease. The Dutch disease phenomena is supported by the tradable, non-tradable sector. Most important sector of the Dutch disease. Dutch disease phenomena supported by all phenomena. It is false because it is. We can say that the theory is confute this model. There are theories that mean that it cannot be supported by all the economics, otherwise energy tradable non-tradable sector important. So it is true, because we can see here the energy export revenue owner, where we can see that the Dutch disease thing is consist of the three sector. Based on the three sector energy tradable non-tradable, so that is correct. And decrease is the domestic credit can prevent Dutch disease, this also correct, because which did the Dutch disease prevented if we decreases the domestic credit, so that is only 2 is false. Which of the following is the tone of the fragment? This is monetary. Third is monetary policy. The choice of the appropriate monetary policy is important for a macroeconomic management in the commodity exporting country. Third, monetary policy, choice of the monetary policy important. Macroeconomic country with the discovery of the natural resource, country see huge flow of the money, foreign currency. The export of the natural resource tends to affect the equilibrium of the money and exchange rate. Tone is populist, technical, not speculative. Speculative, populist माने theoretically based. अच्छा, pedestrian means commonplace of the thing idea, and speculative means to counter the phenomena, so that's why it is speculative. Actually I don't know the meaning of those terms, so I have did the wrong. Next, which of the following nearest antonyms? Confute. Actually there means the some theory that confute this model means that opposite this model, so maybe something antonyms means something similar, negative, rectified. Evince means reveal the presence of the feelings, that's why it supported, reveals. And rectify means correct. Actually some theory that reveals this model, okay, that's why that is the opposite of confute. Okay guys, thank you to many. So I have given this mock, and I just do analysis, so therefore I have did wrong question and I just analyze this. So thank you, bye.